guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the ADIDAS SUPERSTAR Lego. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this, so thank you. Let's get into this. So today, we've got a look at the ADIDAS Lego collaboration with the SUPERSTAR Lego, and we got this in the white core black colorway, and we got it in the UK size 7.5. It's a US 8, and it's a European, sorry, so it's ADIDAS, so it's French, 41 1/3. Before we get unboxing, look at this box. It looks like a massive Lego brick, so that's a really nice touch. Still got the iconic ADIDAS blue, the original is blue, and yeah, it's pretty dope. So it's in the slide box, and here it is in all its Lego glory. So ADIDAS have had collabs with Lego in the past. If I remember correctly, they have done a ZX, and they've done your build your own ADIDAS SUPERSTAR as well. So it's all custom bricks, and when you build it, when you pull the pieces together, it makes an ADIDAS SUPERSTAR that you don't wear. It's just for show. I recommend that you don't wear them if you've got a pair. Have the shoes that you can build. Essentially, this is a ADIDAS SUPERSTAR, but the little details are very interesting, very Lego, and we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, so you got that whole herringbone patterning here. Iconic, you've seen it in a lot of sneakers, but you've also seen it in all the ADIDAS SUPERSTARs. Plain, white, essentially it's an ADIDAS SUPERSTAR. All rubber midsole as well, but where we get into the interesting bits, that's with the uppers. So you have a look here, and as I mentioned, essentially this is an ADIDAS SUPERSTAR but with Lego, and you can see the little bits of Lego. So you can see it with the serrated paneling here with the 3 stripes. You got the SUPERSTAR logo there as well in like a Lego brick form. Essentially, this whole sneaker is the leather upper, but with a lot of plastics. So if you look at the toe box, it looks like the ADIDAS SUPERSTAR toe box, but made out of Lego. So it's all here, and it looks like it's stacked on stacked on stacked with bricks, but it's not. It's just one plastic unit. You look at the tongue, so it's your typical leather tongue with normal lacing system. And what I do like from the tongue is that it's a bit serrated here as well, cut into the squares, much like you're building on Lego blocks. The heel as well, you've got that Lego touch. So instead of a plain leather paneling where the ADIDAS logo would be, you've got the little blocks of Lego. Well, it's not blocks, it's the little, you know, when you stack them. And on the insole, you've got the ADIDAS logo with the iconic Lego, and it's ended up in the yellow background, so it's pretty dope. And very easy, very simple, but you know, Lego being who they are, I'd love to get a lot of Lego sets. I want to get like the Death Star. I love the Star Wars collabs, Star Wars stuff that they do. I'd love to build a set, but they're very expensive. If you've not seen how much Lego pieces are, not pieces, but Lego sets are very, very expensive. So we're just grateful that we've blended our world into this. So we've reviewed essentially a pair of Legos here, which is really dope. I'd love to do reviews on toys, but that's the whole idea. I'll have to get together with Jeff and Chris to see how that goes. We might even do Lego sets ourselves, and build it and do that time loop thingy. But I'm just digressing. Lego is so dope. If you're a kid or an adult, you'd love it. If you're still young at heart, you'd love this because it screams Lego. You've got all the DNA here of Lego, and it's an iconic sneaker. What more do you want? I can't wait to try these on. So roll that footage of me trying these bad boys on. So when it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend that. Well, personally, I'm a size 8 when it comes to Adidas, so I do get a half size up. These are a tiny bit restrictive, like my toes are a bit at the top. But I just, on that note, it does feel a bit restrictive. I kind of feel, I don't know, it's more harder, I guess, on the toes, because of the material. It might be the material, but essentially this should be the same as a normal shell toe that you find on the ADIDAS SUPERSTAR, what it's iconic for. Apart from that, maybe do get a half size up. I should have got a half size up. These are a bit too tight. But in all honesty, this feels like another pair of I was going to say Stan Smiths, of ADIDAS SUPERSTARs. And, you know, if you look at it from afar, I mean, you'd think that it's just any old pair of Adidas, but you look closely, you look at that Lego bricks, and you'd be surprised. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.